Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program to prepare the marks as well as to decide whether the student has scored distinction, first class, second class, pass or fail using else if latter statement. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So as you can see here, I have already written down the syntax of else if ladder. So let us first discuss the syntax and then we will move on to the program. So the syntax of else if ladder looks like this. So it starts with if, where there will be a first condition. If this condition gets satisfied, control will come inside the if to execute statement 1. Okay, if this condition becomes false, then control will come to elif to check for the second condition. If this condition becomes true, then control will come inside the elif to execute statement 2. If this condition becomes false, then control will come to next line where there will be one more condition to check. If this condition becomes true, then control will come inside the elif to execute statement 3. If none of these conditions gets satisfied, then control will come to the else block to execute the statement 4. Okay, and the same syntax we will be using to write a shell program to declare the results. So now let us move ahead to find out how many variables we require to write this program. So when this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter the marks of 6 subjects. So in our program, to hold the marks of those 6 subjects, we need to create 6 variables starting from M1 to M2. Okay, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 and M6. Next, based on the marks, we need to calculate the total, right? So we need to create one more variable with the name total. Okay, based on the total, we will be calculating the percentage. We need to create one more variable, percentage. Once we find the percentage, then based on the percentage, we will decide whether the student has scored distinction, first class, second class, pass class or fail. So how we will be doing that decision? So first we'll check if the percentage is greater than or equals to 80, we'll be declaring that as a distinction. Then if this condition becomes false, then we will check one more condition. If percentage is greater than or equals to 60 and percentage is less than and percentage less than 80, then we'll declare first class. Okay, we are following the same syntax. Okay, if this condition, first condition relates to this condition, okay, and then this condition relates to this condition. If this condition becomes false, then I will check one more condition. If percentage is greater than or equals to 50 and percentage is less than 60, then I will be displaying for second class, result as second class. Okay, that means this condition. If none of these condition gets satisfied, then control will come to the else block to execute this last statement, and that statement will be you are fail. Okay, so I will be moving ahead to take this logic to write the Unix shell program. So I will start the program with the shebang statement, hash exclamation space forward slash r forward slash bin slash bash. Okay, now I need to ask the user to enter the marks of 6 subjects. First, read -p enter marks of subject 1 space M1. M1 is our first variable. Next, similarly, I will ask the user to enter the marks of 6 subjects. 6 double quote M6. Okay, now I have taken the marks of 6 subjects and those marks get stored inside these variables starting from M1 to M6. Now I need to make the total. So to make the total, I will use the total variable, total equal operator or assignment operator, then dollar bracket. Okay, there should not be space before the dollar, before the equal or after the equal operator. Echo command space double quote $M1 plus $M6 double quote pipe BC. BC stands for basic calculator. Next, I need to find out the percentage. So to calculate the percentage, I will use PER variable equal dollar echo double quote, then dollar total by 600 into 100 double quote close pipe BC. Okay, now we have calculated the percentage also. Next, we need to apply these conditions. We need to check if space two open square brackets, then again space dollar PER space hyphen GT G yes GE greater than or equals to operator AT space close both the brackets semicolon, then okay, then we will declare echo use code distinction okay. Next, if the user didn't get distinction marks, that means if the user got lesser than 80, then I need to check for one more condition here, this condition. If elif, okay, that will be under elif space two open square brackets space dollar PER space greater than or equals to space 60 space and space, I need to check one more condition, and that condition is this percentage. Yes, I need to use dollar here. Yes, dollar PER space LT space AT space two close brackets semicolon, then keyword, then we will print echo use code first class. Okay. What if the user percentage didn't come in the range of 60 to 80? That means we need to check for one more condition, because the user might have scored lesser than 60. That condition I need to check, and that will be under elif space open brackets space dollar percentage space greater than or equals to 50, okay, space and dollar PER space less than 60 space close the brackets semicolon, then echo you scored second class. Okay, next I need to check one more condition. What if the percentage of a student didn't come in this range of 50 to 60? That means the percentage of a student might be lesser than 50. I need to check for that also. Else if space brackets space dollar PER space greater than or equals to 35 and dollar PER less than 50 space close the brackets, then echo you scored pass class. If none of these conditions get satisfied, that means that student got failed. So that we need to put under the else echo you are fail. Okay, then we need to close this if using fi. So this is how you can write a shell program to find the total percentage, and based on the percentage declare the results. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.